Died in Lekki toll gate. She's here with us. We want her to speak directly to Nigerians about her pains and her plight regarding the activities of the soldiers who killed her son. Please, I want you guys, since you're already live watching, please kindly share this broadcast before we start anything. Kindly share this broadcast. The guy that died at Lekki toll gate, the mother is here right now. His name is Anthony. Can somebody just give me a screenshot of his photograph? Please share this broadcast. The guy that died in Lekki toll gate, the mother is here at the moment. Please keep sharing this broadcast. That is the boy that died. That is the mom. The guy that one of them. Please kindly do me a favor. Keep sharing. Just keep sharing. Okay. Keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing, and at least we can get up to 50 before we start. We're already 33. Just keep sharing. This guy, the guy that died, that's the mom. She has something to say to Nigerians. Please just keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing, keep sharing. That's the young guy that died at Lekki toll gate, and that is the mom. That is the mom. Please keep sharing. Just keep sharing, keep sharing. Keep sharing, please. Keep sharing. As you're watching, just keep sharing. Please, what you have to say. It is well.
It's not been easy. I never knew that Anthony has so much friends like this. And first of all, I want to thank his friends who picked him up from when he was shot. If it wasn't for his friends, maybe the soldiers who picked up other cops will have picked him up and say nobody died. Yeah, those children saw when Anthony was running with gunshot wounds. When he was running with gunshot wounds, they stayed with him. Some of them fell under vehicles, a lot of things went on.
Bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Nigeria,
thank you.
President Buhari, I cannot fathom what just happened. A lot of our children, a lot of our youth killed, and have the country to come out and tell and look everybody, the whole world, to say that nobody died. May death befall all of you. Amen. May death befall all of you. Amen. If you think you have private jets taking you, like all of them, they've split out of the country right now. Some of them are here, some of them are in Europe, because you can afford that luxury at the expense of the poor people, at the expense of Nigeria. This wealth belongs to all of us. Nigeria should divide. Let Nigeria be like United Arab Emirates. Let everybody fend for themselves. Enough is enough. You've taken so much blood from your SARS to the police to the soldiers, killing innocent children. Because of unemployment in Nigeria, I came there and I lived in this country. I've been living in this country for like 20 years now.
So I just want to find how come? Who told? How did you know your son got killed?
What happened was that I was just at home. I just came back from hospital. I've been ill. Came back from hospital, and I just saw these photos lying around. Nobody told me. I just saw the photos lying around. I'm like, what is Anthony's picture? You know. Anyway, we don't call him Anthony at home. That's his English name. His Igbo name is Mmazu. So I'm like, what is Mmazu's picture flying around like this? Let me try and confirm. So I took, I took his photo and I sent to one of my sons is in Russia studying. So I said, what if it this one now? So I was like, what if it this one now? What if Mmazu picture they do everywhere for social media? And he goes, Mommy, it is true. I did not want to tell you. I don't want you to find out for God. That was like the start.
Have you heard from the government? Have you heard from any government official? They've not called you. Nobody called. No call.
They've not called anybody. They are still sticking to the fact that nobody died.
Nigerians.
All they are paying for all their private jets. You've not seen anything. The youth are telling you that enough is enough. You don't want to listen. You want to burn down Nigeria. Nigeria will burn. Nigeria will burn. 10 times over. It will burn. For the pain that you have caused, not just me and my family, for the pain that you have caused every child that is in the street of Nigeria today. If you can steal ordinary 5 kg of rice and hide it, you people are evil. Palliative, you people will hide. You people are evil. You don't mean anything good to for the poor people. You people are evil and wicked.
Very painful. As you can see, it's very painful. Do you guys have anything to say? Because I'm actually shocked of words. They've still not called the woman to find out from her, nothing at all.
I wasn't meant to come out because I can't even stand on my toes right now. But my sister told me, no, come.
It's good that you came.
It's good.
Everybody that is watching,
it's good that you came.
He's a legend, he's a hero.
If you're watching,
he will never be forgotten.
Please send it to the right link. There are actually people that are actually looking for people that died. There are people collecting evidence.
And one more thing, please.
Direct
One more thing, please. If you're watching now, you can contact me on everyday events. We will give you information of this woman that the son died, Anthony. This is actually the face of Anthony. We will be able to give you information concerning the woman. So people should know that people actually died. It's so sad that Nigeria has deteriorated to a country where laws are not followed any longer. A situation where you can just kill and nothing is done. Nothing is done. May the soul of the gentleman rest in peace.
And every other person that has died during this process, rest in peace.
Amen.
But they should remember this. These lords will not die in vain.
No,
They will not die in vain. We will not stop. We will carry on. We will not stop. And they should always remember that if they want to leave that shithole and run here for comfort, we will find them. We will find them.
We will go to their houses.
They better behave themselves because this is so wrong. And they are still telling us that no one died.
He's just 23 years old. Just 23 years old. Cut down at his prime.
See, they were dancing.
That's the guy. When he was dancing with the girlfriend.
What did they do?
They were dancing.
They were just before they died. So this is actually, please, brothers and sisters watching me, please kindly do me a favor, share this video, please. For everybody that is watching, please kindly share. No, they are looking at you.
Lagos State Governor says that the cameras that were removed were not CCTV.
Yeah.
They were censored cameras.
Yeah.
If they were censored cameras, why were they ordered to be removed? If it was not for a motive.
It was deliberate.
Yeah? If it was not for the motive to go and kill, and you shut down the electricity, the lights went off, everything before you started killing, and you started shooting.
What message do you have for someone? You and your son? Just a message for someone.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, look for each and everybody that was shot. Get in touch with their families.
Yes.
Please. Because families are crying, families are waiting, families are mourning their children. Whoever is sponsoring these hooligans, whoever is sponsoring, well, what am I saying? Nigeria, anything goes.
Thank you very much.
Sponsor people to lie for them.
That's very fine. Thank you.
And
Please,
we know.
kindly do me a favor, share this broadcast, and whoever that wants to get in touch with the mother of Anthony, you can reach me on everyday event. There's a number to call is 074405872-717. The number again is 074-05872-717. So you can call everyday event to get contact and details from the woman. Please kindly share this broadcast to get to all your content. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and do have a great